Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vishakha and today I am going to discuss about the scheduling criteria. There are different types of scheduling criteria. The first is CPU utilization, second is throughput, third is turnaround time, fourth is waiting time and fifth is response time. Now the question comes, what is CPU utilization? How does it work? CPU utilization, it is defined as the percentage of time the CPU is busy in executing process. For high utilization, the CPU must be kept as busy as possible. That is the most of some process running at all times. Defines as the percentage of the time CPU is busy in executing processes. Now what comes next is throughput. It is defined as the total number of processes that a system can execute per unit of time. By and large, it depends on the average length of the processes to be executed. For the systems running long processes, throughput will be less as compared to the system running in short processes. So, it defines as the total number of processes that a system can execute per unit of time. Now comes turnaround time. Turnaround time, it is defined as the amount of time that has rolled by from the time of creation to the termination of a process. To put it differently, it is the difference between the time of a process enters the system and the time it exits from the system. It includes all the time the process has spent waiting to enter into ready queue, within ready queue to get CPU, running on CPU and into IO queues. It is inversely proportional to the throughput, that is more the turnout time, less will be the throughput. It defines the amount of time that rolled by from time of creation to terminate. Waiting time, it is defined as the time used up by a process while waiting in the ready queue. What is response time? It is defined as the time elapsed after the user initiated a request and the system start responding to the request. Now comes scheduling algorithm. A wide variety of algorithms are used for the CPU scheduling. These scheduling algorithms fall into two categories. Those are preemptive and non-preemptive. In preemptive, there are three types of algorithm: priority, round robin, and short remaining time first. And in non-preemptive section, there are two types: first come first serve and shortest job first.